Look at the rust on this rocker panel. It's completely compromised.
We'll have to brace the frame before we lift it, or it'll just fold in half.
The corrosion acts as an archaeologist, revealing the strata of the Limousine's past.
Pull it left, slowly now. Hold the tension on the rear cable. Steady, keep it coming straight. Watch the fender, you're good. All right, secure the load. Stopping the winch. Rear binders are tight. Clear to disconnect. All right, pulling the pins now. Steady now, bring it back easy. Okay, hold it, that's good.
That looks good right there.
Yeah.
Secure the chocks.
Yeah.
All set in the back.
Okay, let's move the fans closer to the rear seats.
Okay. And grab the dehumidifiers next.
What we see here is a museum of mechanical decay, an archaeological site of industrial failure.
This panel is fighting me. Everything is rusted solid back here. Careful with that wiring harness.
Front points are secured.
Engaging the rear jacks now.
Center brackets look good. We are stable for lift.
All connections double checked. Confirmed. Send it up.
Clearance check on your side.
Clear. Keep coming up steady.
Traveling forward, the damage extends the entire length of the passenger compartment. The perforation is severe, indicating advanced corrosion throughout the structure.
All right, shift it forward a fraction. Check that gap now. Seems tight enough. Okay, bring it up slowly. A little more to the left. Hold it right there.
The expander tool allows the technician to gently open the ring and guide it precisely into the groove, minimizing the risk of breakage.
Almost there. Ease it down slowly.
Contacting the gasket now. Looks good.
Okay, it's settled.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the mount on your side. Hold it right there. Let's check the alignment.
Leaders. As we pan across the bay, you can see the meticulous work involved. Zip ties are essential for securing the loom.
Is that aligned on your side?
Looks
Yes.
good. Looks good. Go ahead and secure the base.